Get अभी आएंगे डिवीजन पे. Division is little bit complicated. Okay, so try to focus on division and modulus. These two are little bit complicated. ये दोनों तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड की जैसी है, बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आएगी. ओके, तो मुस्कुरा रहा. ओह यार लाफिंग, क्या हो गया? हाइपोथेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट बोला ना, गर्लफ्रेंड की जैसी. हाँ. int a equals to 3, int b equals to 7, int c equals to b by a, system dot out dot println. What should be the output?
2.
Huh?
2.
How?
3 2s are 6.
No, sir, it takes only. It doesn't take the fraction values.
It doesn't take
Fraction.
the fraction values. How it is possible? Now let me explain. What I have written, b divided by a. This means what? C will divide 7 with. Yes or no? In memory this will happen or not? This is in memory. This will happen or not? So indirectly what is happening? 7 is divided with, division with do in this way only. 3, 2, 3 2s are 6. What is the remainder?
1.
Actual division if you will do, point should come. Then again 0. It should be recurring. Actually if we will do division, this should be the output of c equals to 7 by 3. It should give us 2.33333. This should be the output. अगर हमारा मैथमेटिक्स बहुत अच्छा है तो this should be the output. But in programming, what we will get?
Only 2.
Here now we will get only. Because of what? Because of this data type. What we have declared for C? Int. Int means integer. It will not collect floating point values. ये float values accept नहीं करेगा. It will only accept integer values. So what is an integer value here? After point, how many values are there? 4, 5, 6. It will continue. So this will get deleted. What will only be selected? But if we will make a twist, what twist I will make? Now what will be the output?
2.33.
2.33. Are you sure? 2.33 only. Check. After decimal points, how many values are coming? Just check. What you said? 2.
Actually up to 6 values. 2.3333.
33.
Up to 6.
Now check the output. How many decimal values you are getting after 3? After this point, how many values you are getting? Madam, check. पूरा ही दे दिया. इज्जत कर रहे हो? हाँ? हाँ. 8 3s ना? Let's check.
I got 2.0.
2.0. Okay. Let's check what outputs you are getting. Error. You might have missed some semicolon. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸೆಮಿಕೋಲನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ 40 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 2.33
Why you got 0? Why you got 0? Tell me. Two point zero. 2.0. 2.0. Where is that 0.3333?
If you use float throughout,
Huh? If we'll use
Float for all the variables, then it will come.
up to 7 digits.
up to 7 digits will come. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
200%.
Why we will get only 2.0? We will not get 2.33. We will get 2.0 as the output because we are converting C to float. These two are integers only. Yes or no? These two are integers. So in memory 7 is only divided by 3, 2, 6, 10. This will be the output only. 2 is the output. Just C will capture that 2 and it will convert into float. So what will be the output now? 2.0. But once we will take this also float, you check this also, this you keep in mind. You take 3 outputs. Okay. First, देखो 3 output रखना अपने पास. पहले इस केस के लिए. For int what we will get? For this output will be 2. Okay. Note it down. Hello. हाँ बोलो. 12:30 बजे आओ. सब कंफर्म. हाँ सब कंफर्म. 12 बजे. हाँ सब कंफर्म कर दो. For this, what will be the output? 2. Is it clear? Why we are getting 2 here? Because everything is int. Now, if I will take this as only float, then what will happen? We will get the output as 2.0. Why? Because division was same, because these two are integers, so my integer division will only be done. Because these two are integers, my division will be integer division. It will not be my float division, it will be integer division, but the output I will get, it will be decimal value. So if I am getting input output as 3, how I will convert this into decimal? 3.0. This is my integer. My float will be 3.0. Just after point I will make 0. So that is my float for compiler. Okay. Now exact division. This also noted. Now exact division. What will we have? What will happen? Let's see. Here I will take float. Here I will take float. Now which division will happen? What division will happen?
Float this.
Float division will happen. In float division what happens? My 7 and my 3 will not be in this way. My 7 will be 7.0 till 8 digits. 7.0000 till 8. Because float takes after point how many values? 7 or 8 values. Okay. Now here 3.0 will be there. Okay. Yes or no? Same it will continue. It will continue in this manner. So what output we will get here now? Huh? 2 point. How many times we will get 3?
7.
7 times. So output will be now will 7 times. If everything I will put double, then what will happen?
So 14 digits.
Up to 14 digits I will get the output. So now is it clear when we will use int, when we will use float, and how which type of outputs we will get? Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt for division? Any doubt? No doubts? What happens if I will write this is important. What will be the output? Tell me. क्या आउटपुट आएगा? 0 point
something.
0 point
0.4. 0.42.
0.428571
428. I am not interested in this. I am just interested in this. I am just interested in this. If I will take everything int, then what should be my output?
0.
0. If I will take this two int, this float, then what should be my output?
0.4.
0.0. Because this is int. This because this is float. These two are int. So what should be my output? 0.0. Okay. Why I am explaining this? Now we will go to modulus. There we will see why I am explaining this. Now one final operator is there, modulus operator. We will see this now. Which operator? Modulus operator. What will be output for this modulus?
1.
Why 1? Because this modulus operator, in division operator, what was happening? We were taking the quotient as our output. Yes or no? Here we will take our remainder as our output. What is the remainder? If I will divide what is my remainder? So I will get 1 as my output. If I will do 11 mod 4, what output shall I get? If this is my input, what output I will get?
3, sir.
3, yes. Three will be now. Asan, what output I will get? Asan, what output I will get?
1.
If you will not clear interview, you will pay him.
I thought you will not be here.
You are understanding or not? Okay, tell me. What will be the output? Asam. What will be the output? Do a notebook and tell me what will be the output. Huh? How much is scored in mathematics?
64.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything you know. So now what I was doing, see carefully. 9 divided by 3. I am dividing. Huh? What I am dividing? 3. What is the remainder? So what output I shall get here? 0. अभी कुछ समझ आया? If you are not understanding, ask me, because if this you will not understand, single program you cannot write. Okay? You are paying 7,000 or 8,000 rupees, so that matters. Okay? Because if you will not crack interview, this money will be waste. पैसे बर्बाद है ना, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Now tell me what will be the output of. Tell me. Do in notebook and then tell me the output. I know mental calculation will be difficult, but on paper you do and tell me the output. Asan, division takes this much time.
So 2 point.
2 point. Why 2 point? Modulus, what modulus will give the output? Remainder. So what is the remainder you got?
2.
How much?
2.
So my output will be how much? Understood little bit? अब एक twist. Now I am twisting the question. अब देखते हैं कौन बोल पाएगा. Tell me the answer. What will be the remainder? कौन मैथमेटिक्स का ज्ञाता यहाँ पे? आर्यभट्ट पार्ट 2.
7.
2.
You tell me. 5. How? Simply divide it. 5 divided by 7. This means this or not? 7 percentile 5 means 7 is divided with 5. So 5 percentile 7 means 5 will be divided with 7. Is it divisible? Is it divisible? What is the remainder? That's why I told, remember that when we are getting 0.0 as our output, if I will divide that, if just a similar division if I will do, simple division, अब इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए किसी को. सिंपल डिवीजन में प्रॉब्लम होगा तब मैं कुछ और नहीं कर सकता. 11 divided by 21. 11 divided by 21. Divide this and tell me what is the quotient. Divide this, not in laptop, in pen and paper. Pen and paper, divide and tell me what should be the quotient. 11 divided by 21. करो भाई. करो. आज सबका मैथमेटिक्स स्किल्स चेक होगा. How good you are in mathematics?
11 divided by 21.
11 divided by 21.
Regardless of integer and all that.
Regardless of it. take only two values. After a decimal, only two values are there. Regardless of it. Huh?
0.50.
0.502.
0.5.
0.2 decimal I told na. Don't tell the answer. Let me check for everyone who are good in mathematics. Let me see.
0.
Don't tell the answer. How 0.22? Calculate properly. How 0.22? What happened? Mathematics also you forgot. Eh? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division forgot. Eh? I know. Then why? This is the thing. Unable to divide. It's not integer, so this output I will get. If you don't remember division, just see here. 21 into 4, let's check. 84, 21 into 5. 50. So it will be 2. 40, 2. 80. So I think 4 with 3 it will go with. Huh? 5 into 5? 502. How?
Please remember.
7, 1, 0. So let's check. This will be my output if I am taking float. If I will take int,
0.
0 means that if any value is greater than, if this value is greater and this value is small, we can divide it with 0. So what will be the remainder? So always keep in mind one thing. Always keep in mind, if you are weak in mathematics, just keep in mind, write this thing. For example, A modulus B. A modulus B. If A is greater than B, which is greater? A is greater than B, then A modulus B equals to A. Always this will be the output. If I will say 7 percentile line, which is A, which is B? 7 is A, 9 is B. A is greater than B. A is less than B. So my output will be check. In your laptop you check. For any value you do. If A percentile B is there and A is less than B, you will always get the output as A. This is universal truth for compiler. Done. Change everything for float and then tell me what will be the output.
7.0.
Huh?
7.0.
Let's check. For everything float. 7.0 na? Means this condition is always done. So arithmetic operator is done. So tomorrow we will discuss about conditional operators. Any doubt? Any doubt? कोई दिक्कत, कोई परेशानी? मैडम Any doubt?
When will this int and float?
When we will use int and we will use int when we don't require decimal values. If you don't require this as our output, we will go for int. If we don't require this, but if we require this, then we have two options. Either we go for float or we go for double. Depending, huh? Double will also give this decimal value only. But depending on the size, we go for float or double. If we want 7 characters after 7 values after point, then float. 14 values, then double. If you want more perfection for your answer, go for double. If you want less perfection, then go for float. Try all this in your home. Just do the assignment and come. I'm giving an assignment. A equals to 7, B equals to 2. Then what you have to do, these are two values. If A equals to 7 and B equals to 2, then find A plus B, A minus B, A multiplied by B, A divided by B, A modulus B. This you find for all cases. For int also, float also, double also. With interchanging everything. Suppose you took int A, then check float B, then print float C, and then get the output as float. Check for every possibilities that you can check. Okay, done. If you will do this assignment, then I think operators will be overall clear for you. Done? Okay. Note it down, then leave.